Thank you for an amazing response to my previous video where I found the roots of a quadratic equation using completing the square method. One of my viewer asked me that if the constant term is negative 11, then what would the roots of this type of equation be? So let's do that. The first step is to check whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. If it is not 1, we will make it 1 by dividing the entire equation with this number, that is 2 in this case. So I would be getting x square plus 8 divided by 2 is 4x minus 11 divided by 2 is just 11 over 2 equals 0. The next step is to transfer this constant term on the right hand side. So we get x square plus 4x equals 11 over 2. This minus would become positive. Now we have to add one term on both sides of equal to. So this some term equals 11 over 2 plus some term. Now what is that term? Always remember that term is equal to coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square. Always. What is the coefficient of x in this case? 4. So it's 4 divided by 2 whole square. And what is 4 divided by 2? Is 2. So the term is basically 2 square. So let's add 2 square on both the sides. Now, this left hand side can be written as the square of some binomial term. What would be that binomial? The variable x, and always this term, the third term. So, x plus 2 whole square. And that is why this method is called completing the square method, because I was able to write left hand side as the square of some binomial equals 11 over 2 plus 2 square is 4, and I can write this 4 as 4 over 1. X plus 2 whole square is equal to, I can solve this by making the denominator as 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So 11 halves plus 8 halves. This will give me x plus 2 whole square is equal to this 2, 11 plus 8 is 19 over 2. Now, in order to eliminate this square, I would be taking the square root on both the sides. So, square root of x plus 2 whole square is equal to square root of 19 over 2. Whenever we take the square root, it always have the two versions, plus and minus. This would cancel out this one. So, I get x plus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 19 over 2. Now I can see that this 2 is in the denominator, and under the square root of sign means it is root 2, and we never have an irrational number in the denominator. So to make it rational, what we will do, I will multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Now this will give me plus minus 19 times 2 is 38 under the square root sign. Now 2 times 2 is 4, and what is the square root of 4? That's 2. So now my denominator is rational, so all good. Now this will give me two equations. X plus 2 is equal to plus version plus root 38 over 2, or x plus 2 is equal to minus root 38 over 2. Okay, so this gives me x is equal to plus root 38 over 2. This plus 2 when shifted that side will give me minus 2, which can be written as 1. So x is equal to root 38. After taking the LCM, it will be minus 4 over 2. So this is one of the roots of this quadratic equation. And on the another side, x is equal to minus root 38 over 2, and plus 2 will become, of course, minus 2. So my another root is equal to minus root 38 minus 4 over 2. So the given quadratic equations have two roots given by this, and in this way we solve the whole equation by completing the square method. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.